Welcome back to channel. The camera opens with a cinematic shot of the 2026 Chevrolet C7 gliding down a scenic highway, its gleaming bodywork catching the golden sunlight. The deep red paintwork with black accents immediately draws attention, and the growl of the engine in the background sets the mood for what's to come. The voiceover begins with a passionate tone, expressing the excitement of finally getting behind the wheel of Chevrolet's latest creation, a model that blends futuristic styling with undeniable road presence. There's an emphasis on how the C7 has been reimagined to not just be a mode of transport, but a statement of design, performance, and innovation. The view transitions to the front of the car, where the design feels bold and commanding. The large, white detailed grille, reminiscent of high-end luxury marques, gives it a premium face that demands attention on any road. The LED headlamps are sharper and slimmer than before, edged with a new light signature that makes the C7 instantly recognizable, day or night. The front bumper carries an aggressive aerodynamic shape, channeling air smoothly while giving off a sporty vibe. Every contour and line has been shaped with precision, resulting in a face that balances elegance and aggression. The perspective then shifts to the side profile, revealing the C7's elongated silhouette, almost limousine-like. In its stretched proportions, glossy black alloy wheels perfectly complement the red bodywork, while subtle chrome touches along the window line add a hint of class. The designers have clearly worked to create a visual flow, where the roofline gently tapers toward the rear without sacrificing passenger space. The side mirrors are sleeker, the doors carry subtle sculpted lines, and the stance feels low yet confident, suggesting both comfort and speed in equal measure. The camera moves to the rear, where the C7 continues to impress. The taillights adopt a sleek, horizontal design with a modern red glow, connected by a subtle black strip that carries the Chevrolet C7 badge proudly. The back bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets, not overly flashy, but purposeful. The rear grille section hints at its performance capabilities, while the overall design gives the car a wide planted look that enhances its sporty appeal. From behind, the C7 communicates a blend of luxury and athleticism. Welcome as the scene transitions to the interior. The door opens to reveal a cabin crafted with premium materials and high attention to detail. Plush leather seats with intricate stitching wrap around the driver and passengers, offering both comfort and support. The dashboard features a large curved digital display that merges the infotainment and driver's information, cluster into one seamless unit. Ambient lighting traces the cabin's contours, creating a warm yet futuristic atmosphere. The center console is clean, with intuitive touch controls and minimal physical buttons, showing Chevrolet's focus on a modern, clutter-free experience. Every surface feels refined, from the soft-touch materials on the dash to the metallic accents that give a sense of durability and elegance. The performance section brings the audience to life as the camera captures the C7 in motion. Under the hood lies a powertrain tuned for both excitement and efficiency, delivering an exhilarating acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel economy for its class. The suspension system has been refined for a smoother yet engaging drive, and steering feels precise, making the C7 easy to handle, whether in city traffic or on open highways. Acceleration is quick and responsive, but equally important is how composed the car feels at higher speeds. The braking system is confident, ensuring safety while pushing performance limits. The soundtrack from the exhaust, though not overwhelming, has a satisfying growl that connects the driver to the machine. The conversation shifts to pricing, noting how Chevrolet has positioned the C7 competitively within the premium sedan market, while the base model offers a strong package for those looking for style and comfort. Higher trims add advanced features such as enhanced driver assistance systems, premium sound, and exclusive materials. The value proposition becomes clear by getting a balance of style, technology, and performance without paying the exorbitant prices of certain luxury competitors. The script then offers personal recommendations, highlighting that the C7 is an excellent choice for those seeking a car that combines daily usability with a special, head-turning appeal. It's not just for enthusiasts, but also for professionals, families, and anyone wanting a car that feels equally at home in a corporate parking lot as it does on a scenic weekend drive. For those considering the purchase, going for a mid to higher trim may be worthwhile to unlock the full suite of features and the most premium cabin finishes. The outro scene shows the Chevrolet C7 parked against a sunset backdrop, the reflection of the fading light dancing across its glossy body. The closing voiceover emphasizes that the 2026 C7 is more than just a step forward for Chevrolet, it's a leap into the future, blending modern design, advanced technology, and thrilling performance in one complete package. The final words invite viewers to experience it for themselves, promising that the C7 will leave a lasting impression long after the drive is over.